All right, my friends. Today we are going to begin our Unit 5, Lesson 1. And in Unit 5, we're going to be talking all about classifying and categorizing things. So if you see our essential question here, how can we classify and categorize things? And if you take a look at the picture entitled Mix and Match, you see the little girl, and she is organizing, classifying, and sorting her recycling. You see the plastic, you see the cans and the paper, all sorted and classified. Think about the ways we have sorted and classified things in our classroom in the past. I remember doing that with shapes and shapes attributes, which we'll talk about later in math. I remember doing that with solids in science class. So think about those things as we go through our, our lesson today. Let's head to our opener, our weekly opener here. And let's watch this together as we find out a little bit more.
See it, sort it. How can we classify and categorize things? When we sort or classify things, we put them together with other things that are just like them in some way. For example, when we recycle, we sort by materials: glass, metal, paper, or plastic. Sorting can tell us what's missing, or how much we have in each category. After sorting these vegetables, it's easy to tell that there are more carrots than potatoes. Sorting happens everywhere. When we buy something in a store, the cashier sorts our coins and bills in a special drawer. Sorting and classifying help all of us organize whatever we are doing.
So as you see, sorting and classifying, it helps us in many ways. I saw them sorting and classifying vegetables and again recycling in that video. So keep all of those things in mind as we go through our lessons this week. So right now I want to introduce to you our sight words, as well as 2 vocabulary words for this week. We are not going to worry about our vocabulary words over here for right now. What we're going to worry about now are our sight words. So let's start with the first sight word here. This sight word is for. Can you say that word? Awesome. This word for is like the number 4. And the sentence says, a sheep has 4 legs. Let's listen.
For. This is the word for. Say it with me. For.
Awesome. The next word is the word large. Listen to the sentence. We picked a large pumpkin. Can you say that word large? Awesome. Next word is the word none. None of the dogs has spots. Say that word, none. Great. The next word is the word only. This sheep has only 1 lamb. Only. Can you say that word? Excellent. Next is the word put. We put the peaches in the box. Can you say that word? Put? Excellent.
Put. This is the word put. Say it with me. Put.
Awesome. And this is the word round. A tractor has big, round wheels.
Round. This is the word round. Say it with me. Round.
Great job. Now, here we have our first key vocabulary word. This is the word trouble. The sentence says, this goat is having trouble getting out. Now, I would like you to use this word trouble, and I would like you to write it in your own sentence a little bit later. Again, this is the word trouble. And the word trouble, as you can see here, means if you have trouble doing something, you have problems doing it. And the example shows that this goat is having trouble getting his head out of there. And then this word is the word whole. Listen.
Whole. The whole barn is painted red.
And when something is whole, it is complete. None of it is missing. So this whole barn is painted red. So what you're going to do is just go over your sight words again. I want you to put them in ABC order, and then I would like you to write a sentence for each of the vocabulary words here today. And then before we finish up, I just want to go over to our phonics skill for this week. Our phonics skill for this week is words with AR. What does a pirate say? I know a pirate says R. Can you say that? R. Hope you like my pirate impression. So this week we are going to be talking about all different words that have that AR sound, and that AR sound says R, like in the word star. Can you think of any other words that begin with I'm sorry, not that begin. Well, some do, like art. We go to art class. But what I meant to say is, can you think of any other words that have the AR sound, making the sound R? Okay, think of some. And on the next slide, you'll see some more examples of words with R. Thanks, guys.